Well, we're back. And last time we told you about the beginning of Fluzzle Tube, and our son invented it. And this time we're going to talk about what happened next. So they ended up getting into Cabela's, Bass Pro, Big Five, and had everything going in that. And then Clark's interest, he was always interested in AI, so he kind of got, I don't know.
Exactly. Well, he did. He went to pursue that passion of his, which is artificial intelligence. And in the meantime, we were owners of a local restaurant in our neighborhood. And we owned that restaurant for 7 years. And we really, really enjoyed bringing people together for fun and connection and had a great time with that. But we also had a real big passion for traveling and being outdoors, in the water, near the water, tropical locations, lakes, rivers, all of that. So back in 2017, we went to a Tony Robbins Business Mastery course in Florida, and they really, really had us dig deep to figure out what our true passions were and where we really wanted to focus and go forward with our goals in business. And as much as we loved the restaurant and the community, we really also wanted to branch out and get to a larger group of people and bringing them together. So how you want to talk about the experience at Business Mastery?
We went, the beginning of it, we were really thinking that it was going to be, for Business Mastery, it was going to go into the restaurant and bringing everybody together and grow the restaurant and maybe have a bigger location or do more. But both of us on our notes throughout the Business Mastery seminar, we both found that we went towards Fluzzle Tube. So we were it seemed to be the passion and the mindset on both of us on the direction to go. So that's what we did.
Yes, when he's talking about the notes, like the things that we continue to write down was connection and fun and outdoors and in the sun and in the water. And all of those things were fulfilled with launching Fluzzle Tube and bringing it out to everybody. So that's where we made the big decision that we were going to be the new owners of this business, and we wanted to revive it. So we sat down with Clark, we told him our idea, and we started the steps to becoming owners of the corporation. And we changed the name to Innovative Water Products. And we knew that knowing what the version 1.0 needed some enhancements, and that's when Dell started looking into the design of that. And I'll let him talk about what he changed on the design or where he saw that some improvements needed to be made.
Yeah, we went with a heavier PVC, bigger cup holders, deeper cup holders, and then the connection part of it, we reinforced that, enhanced it, made it more durable, and just found ways to improve the tube. We also added a couple more colors, or a few more colors now, and it's been a lot of fun.
Yes, and so those changes that we worked on, we also wanted to see the manufacturing facility and see how these tubes were made, the quality, and also just be be hands-on with what was going on. So we took a trip over there in 2018.
Yeah,
towards
right
the
around
end.
New Year's.
Towards
We were
the New
actually
Year's.
over there in China in New Year's.
That's right. And we got to meet the manufacturer, and we got to actually see the product being made, which was really important to us, which was great. And we came back from that really prepared to launch it for summer 2019. And our original plan was to manufacture the tubes and put them directly onto Amazon. I am a huge Amazon fan. Love how you can just, zoom through whatever you want there and have it delivered to your doorstep. And we thought that would be a really great delivery model for the tubes since everybody was really purchasing things from Amazon at the time. So that was a feat in itself, getting everything set up there. And once we did that, that was probably around April or March or April. We got the tubes. Range. Yes. So that was our very first place where you could purchase the tubes, was on Amazon. And right before that, we took a picture actually of the tubes in the factory, just to give everybody kind of like a, hey, sneak peek, I believe is what the post was, sneak peek at what's coming for summer 2019, these interlocking tubes. And that post went crazy viral. I think it was somewhere upwards of 2 million views and comments, and people were just going crazy about them. So at that point, we knew we really had something special, and we were really expecting the Amazon sales to go crazy, and we were planning on replenishing orders and using the fulfillment model through Amazon. Yes. So yeah, that is the second part of the Fluzzle Tube story. Please stay tuned for the third part, and like and subscribe our page if you want to hear more about the Fluzzle Tube story, and tell your friends about it. It's pretty exciting. We'll be doing one of these a week for you guys, and thanks for joining.